Traxxas 2.0 versus 3.0. I'm not going to judge it off of how well the body looks because you can always change out the body. But if I did, I would definitely give the 3.0 the win, even though the 2.0 does have a nice looking Mustang. To start off, you can tell that the 3.0's chassis is much longer. You can also tell it's much cleaner because it's newer. It's a good 2 to 3 inches, I would say, maybe a little less. The servo and the ECU, I think it's called, or controller connector, is in different spots on both because the 3.0 has a longer chassis and you can fit more in. The drivetrains are also different. The 3.0 has a matte finish. The wheels on the 3.0 are a good bit bigger. The rims are about the size of the whole 2.0's tires. The bottoms are about the same if you exclude the fact that the 2.0 is a lot smaller than the 3.0. Everything is about the same, except minus a few things like the longer wheelbase, but it's all the same electronics and things. I did also forget to mention that on the 3.0, the version I have, the shocks are 1/16 scale instead of the 1/10 for a lower ride height. On the I have the Factory 5 edition. On the Corvette, they have the 1/10 scale ones, but I wanted the lower ride height. As you can see, I can't fit my fingers under that one, but I can on the 2.0. I also have the 2.0 on shock spacers to raise the ride height, and I do have them on the 3.0. Right here I am just driving the car, the 3.0. I do feel like the 3.0 is a bit faster. They say they're about the same speed, the 3.0 and 2.0, but I feel as if the 3.0 is faster with the bigger wheels and a newer car. I think it's a little bit faster. Longer wheelbase also makes it feel a little faster, even though the short wheelbases usually do make it faster. I do also think that the 3.0's tires were more grippy than the 2.0's from the start. This is the 2.0 driving. I'll try and find more videos of it driving. But I do feel like the 3.0 is a little faster than the 2.0.